Day 4 of extempore. The went by. I did not make strategy. I did not do anything special. I did not hire anybody in my team. Did not complete one single NAT. Did not do 1 rupee business. Did not learn anything yesterday. Life is passing by. Wanted to be a billionaire by 2023. I'm not in crorepati in 5 years. It's easy to dream and not possibility. Skill is just an power. If you don't use, you're still going to be a shit. You're going to face politics once you have skill. People are going to use like an experiment rat or a donkey until you can carry the weight. Now I have known many people who had skill and who had worked hard and moved up the ladder but moved down because it's not their turn. A person in power is a person who wins. And all this is learned through time, through books, through people, and through experiences. So it is important to learn about power and be in power. You're going to miss out on knowledge. You're not going to be lucky always. But power will always be there. Tomorrow onwards I will be recruiting. I'll be searching for loan. For that I have to update my address. So tomorrow I'm going to get my address updation done. And later on I'll start speaking to people. Tomorrow as soon as I get up, I'll practice my sales pitch for bankers to recruit them. I'll call up 30 people tomorrow minimum and try to get the conversions done. Before that I'll ensure my script is effective. I'll ensure my script by calling up few of my friends and ensure my things are done. Life is hard and unpredictable. I'm not working for anything different, so nothing different is going to happen for any long time soon. I have learned people earn much less than what I am doing, yet I'm saving nothing. I have zero lifestyle and I'm totally dependent on others. So it's not going to turn around since my parents do not have an income source, they do not have any savings. So any uncertainty will only lead me to the debt. The only source of me surviving is personal loans from the banks. So I have to ensure my savings are, so I have to ensure my civil score is better and my expenses are minimal. I can't afford a lifestyle, I can't afford a petrol of 200 rupees per day. So this is the reality of life. I can't eat in hotel for 4 days in a month. I have to admit it. I'm dependent on my parents for petrol bill. I'm dependent on my parents for food, for shelter. At the age of 24, I don't own a bike. I don't have I can't afford one extra cloth or shoe or a belt even after working for 4 months. And this will continue to go on even if I change my job for 2 or 3 more times. I don't have skills, so I'm not going to stay in a job for a very long time. And soon enough, the next recruiter will realize that I am a wasteful person. So not to waste my resources on myself. I'm already in the salary bracket where people expect something out of your effort. I'm among the highest paid of Indians now. My bosses want to come to my home to sell the insurances to my parents, to judge me, and I have nothing to impress them. I'll make some story and convince them not to. But this extempore is for myself, for betterment of mine. So I'll read at least 10 papers, 10 sheets of book from the book, and improve myself a bit better. I will learn at least 5 new words and use them in return. I will learn tables, at least one new table, and not let my day go waste. I aspire to clear SSC CGL, which is a corrupt government exam, and get a government job, which is next to impossible, but only if I work really hard from day. I'm already 24. Many of my friends are already getting married. They have got themselves a home, a good source of income. They are riding good cars. They have good reputation, and I have nothing. I have come here because I was not thoughtful about it. I have to be thoughtful about my life, and even if I start thinking today, I'll need at least 4 or 5 years just to settle down. My next 1 year, I'm going to work very hard but get nothing in return. My family is going to get nothing from me. I'm going to get nothing from my work. This is true. With all this hardship to go for next 1 year, someday Sindhi or somebody from the past is going to show up, hit a case, and get a compensation from our family, and one and only person, I am going to pay for it. I have received all the money in my bank account. I have taken it in my hand. I have signed wherever needed. I am liable to pay all the loans. So maybe I will never get married. Maybe I will never be thoughtful about my life, and soon enough I will die. I wanted to make best of my life. Do something like Gandhi, Obama, or successful life person like Frank Underwood or Harvey Specter. And only thing I wanted to be is an heavy personality, a person who speaks so well that it melted someone's heart. A sale is made when nothing else works. Harvey Specter works. I wanted to be a reliable person. I wanted to be a person with a reputation, not with much resources. If possibly, yes, but it is more about what personality I am. I don't have an expense to bear for a week. I don't return 15 or 50 rupees to somebody whom I owe. I owe many people many things. But the only way I get paid is to lie and to cheat. I'm not going to backbite my company. I have to take the confirmation. I have to get the deal. I have to earn money. I thought I would be changing my job to start preparing for my government exam, but I don't think that time is coming anytime soon. So I shall prepare after my working hours, minimum 2 or 3 hours, just to get a government job, just to ensure that I don't have to change my jobs very quickly, and I don't get laid off once the company finds out I don't have any skill, or I'm overcompensated, or an world war or any war throw me out of the job and pandemic doesn't pay me. I will take a government job within 2 years, and I'll ensure I'll do anything that I have to just to get that done. I'll take care of my present first, mid future in between, and complete future in 2 years. So my short term goal is for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, and 6 months. Mid term goal is till 1 year, and long term goal is for 6 years, 6 months. So I'm going to work on it right from now, right beginning from now. Thank you for today.